Do you want to boost your sales on Etsy and increase your creativity? Of course you do. That's why you're here. So we're going to do this with a change a day in August. Hey, I'm Duthie, and I'm here to help you craft your career with creative marketing and artistic inspiration. And for the month of August, we're going to be working together to boost our creativity, to really crash start into having a creative business online. So don't forget, come back every day and find out what I'm banging on about. Now, one of the most overlooked things on growing anything online, especially your Etsy shop, is actually just showing up, doing something every single day. So you might have heard of or spotted on some YouTube videos people talking about VIDA. This is vlog every day in August or April. Now, the whole purpose of this is it's a challenge for people on YouTube or any other kind of vlog platform to make content every single day. And this helps people skyrocket because people are coming back. It's a habit. People get into the habit of going to see Casey Neistat with their morning coffee. But this habit works for all things, most especially on Etsy. One thing that can really boost you is, rather than doing everything all in one day and listing all your listings and then sitting back for 4 months and waiting for the customers to roll in, if you do a little something, if you're active in your shop every single day, then this really does boost your shop. So let's challenge ourselves. Let's give ourselves a 30-day challenge that every single day we're going to do a little something in our shop, and let's have the best August ever. Because August, traditionally, the middle of summer, can be a little low in sales unless you're a wedding shop. But let's make this the best August we can get. So if you're wanting to join me in this, just post "Let's do it" in the comments below and let's get started. So what we're going to do is every weekday at around about 11 o'clock UK time, so you can sit down with your coffee, either if you're not in the UK, when you wake up, I'll be here waiting for you, or if you're in the UK, stop for your coffee and we'll have a wee 2-minute chat. I just want to do quick videos so we can get a bit of inspiration and get on with our day. Most of these are going to be Etsy tips videos, things we can change in our shop, but I also want to do some artistic inspiration, and we're going to try some crazy things, but all just to get the creativity juice flowing. But most importantly, to start making a habit. So you come to me, we have a little chat in the morning, and you spend 2 minutes on your Etsy shop. You spend 2 minutes on your online presence. And when you repeat these things, when you repeat this habit for a number of days, it really does become a habit. And it's going to start to become easy for us to get up every day, do the thing in your Etsy shop, and then get on with the rest of your day. And this does make big changes. Don't believe me? I've got a money back guarantee. You stick this out for 30 days and you can come back at the end of the 30 days and tell me that this didn't work for you, and I'll give you your money back. You paid nothing, so you're getting nothing back. This is all for free. We're just going to work together, but try it for 30 days and see what the results are. And come back here into this video and comment what your results are. So if anyone's finding us at a later date, they could tag along in their own time, but they get to see how awesome this actually works out for us. So comment you're in. Click on my wee face to subscribe and come back every weekday for tips, tricks, advice, craziness. Thank you so much. See you tomorrow.